like straight, pansexual, bisexual?
I'm straight. What are you?
You said, what am I?
Keep it juicy, juicy. I eat that lunch. She keep that booty, booty. She keep that pump. Then that's a beauty, beauty. Yeah, yeah. If you could see it from the front, wait till you see it.
Jerk chicken. I think I want that. I had that last time. It was so good.
Inna the fucking realest ching ching. Inna the Louis V vest, girl want with his squeezy lick and real bless. Can I blow breeze for the head of my penis? Coolest breeze that me rockin' a sleeveless. Ease out.
Came home like I don't know what time I got here, but I had to take a shower first before I eat because it was too freaking hot. I was sticky. It was just too much. So yeah, I'm gonna get some sweet chili chicken with some curry gravy. And this is a couple they gave us. They wash it out. And I have some liquor in there, yeah, because I need to have a drink. And I'm about to just enjoy this day and watch a bunch of YouTube videos. Yeah. It was fun though. I had fun with my cousin and my friend. Like, it was so much fun. So I got bananas. Let me get a banana. 78 cents a pound. I really came here for a piece of watermelon. I want watermelon so bad. Let's see, watermelon, 350. I need a sweet piece. That one is $4. Oh man. Let me get this one. This one looks big and sweet. Oh. Look at the sliced one. The sliced one is not even. Let me just get this piece. And a salad. I need a cucumber. What's this? Oh, jackfruit. Pineapple. I never bought a big watermelon. I never buy one big watermelon. Them I get smell good, no? 2 for $4. Smell. Trying to figure out if it smell like mango from Jamaica. Maybe. Oh, you actually do, you know. Smell like a Julie. You know about it? I'm gonna go to the mirror. Look like you want them at Jamaica. So 2 for $4. The Dominicano mango, but I feel for a mango, man. For mango, I'm about to buy. I'm getting 2. I'm getting 2. Put them in one bag. I need some mango. I'm not gonna need mango. So I think for 2. I probably don't have to go to my market because this place always has some special. Aki, $8. I don't know. I don't think I'm gonna get no acne here. I need ginger. I have finger Bible. Oh no, there's $1 up there.
And we can ride the boogie, share that beat of love. I wanna ride
Alright, see the cartier then I'll look on that. Look on that. So let me go get 4 mango that's up to 2. Look at them. $1 for this, you know? Fee price. So well, this one kind of looks spoiled. That's 2 good ones at the bottom there. And it's a green one, yeah. Oh gosh. Tambourine. You have sweet tambourine. I never tried this at me, because I don't know if this is the same. Probably not. This one because it's Spanish one. The Spanish tambourine. Let me see what the product of where. Oh, Thailand.
Hello, stranger. It's been a minute since we last kicked it. And by the way, just got in town.
All I really need is lettuce and spinach. I have to get something. Probably some people will This is dinner. It's 8:20. And we're gonna have some turkey neck with some wheat pasta and sweet potato. I'll just throw some in there. That's I like it. And that's some brown rice over there. I'm gonna eat it with some cucumbers. So yeah, that's my Sunday dinner. So it's finished now. That looks so yummy. So I'm gonna try the aki paki here. Say look. Oh, it smells like aki. What are you, cabbage? Look inside. You can't see. Oh.
Yeah.
It's good. Oh no. Yeah, he used to complain about the person. But he said it tastes good. Look, I think it's cabbage.
American are always good at the pumpkin, the lentil.
I think what she
Well,
wants me
Papi?
to do,
And it tastes good.
I think she wants me to
He's just gonna be fattening.
like,
So, boom.
a different road,
I'm gonna get beef.
like a look.
I thought it was like callaloo patty. I'm like, yes. He like, it's not the same as eating a beef patty because well, like when you get a beef patty, it's like cheating, which is right, I guess. But I said I can't eat beef patty all the time, so I'm glad they have different flavors. The aki patty was good. It was cabbage in there. I thought it was saltfish, but it's cabbage. Cabbage and aki, not bad. I'll eat it again. I think the callaloo one tastes better though. Callaloo one tastes way better. Yeah, this is Queens on the 4th. People not really celebrating the 4th today. Cause why would we? Like, he got a sanitizer by the door. He's not playing. Sanitizer him if he come in my house. The wind chill. It's not. I'm saying it's not that hot today. Saturday was hot. It was really hot. Even though it rained a little bit. It was really hot. Jump my door. So clear my door. My father is barbecuing on the back door. Not barbecue, jerking on the back. So my nephew not here, my auntie not here. Like, back to work tomorrow. I'm dreading it. I'm not even there yet. Let me stop. I have the easiest job. I am so blessed. I'm sorry. Cut that out. I'm not one of the people that complain about their jobs because my job is the easiest. And I love it. I like what I do. As I can see, I don't do much. So not much to complain about. But I'm just saying, I gotta get up early because I'm leaving from over here. Either I'm leaving 6 o'clock or 6:30. Because I work at 9. I really was gonna go to Coney Island, but I'm like, Coney Island is not safe around this time of year. It's not. So my 2 choices I had in mind, or 3 choices: either I stay my ass home, go to Coney Island, or come to Queens. And so because I wanted to be outside, I decided. So it's either Queens or Coney Island. And I'm like, yeah, you know, you gotta listen to your gut feelings, man. They come to Queens, so I came to Queens. You know what? I'm gonna try to see if I could do this dance, this bounce dance. I'm gonna teach myself the bounce dance. Getting some chicken. Outside. You got some outside already. Hey, Zena. You miss me? Oh, Zena. Miss me? You always on your belly to rub. Go. Kai? Oh. Oh, you're in the shower. Ah. Zena. Oh, she miss me. Keep saying E. The she. Hi, Zena. Oh, the belly rub. Okay, I'll rub it for you a little bit. Alright, I'll come back, okay? So come back. People go there just to try to beat him. That's crazy. She's in there straight.
Look at it.
It looks sick.
She was going to throw up. She just shoved something right into it.
63 hot dogs. Oh, how you stomach all that? That's too much. All the chicken. Ooh, I eat. I am tired. I want to sleep. I woke up early this morning, but I know I'm not gonna go to sleep. What's time so? Oh, he showed me how to do it.
Alright, for you to do it?
Yeah. But he leaving, so. I don't know. He said he out.
I'm not that bad.
Upstairs.
Pass the word. I hate it that you have to picture.
I wasn't taking a picture. Daddy, I came over and looked at it. I didn't know it was burning.
Really?
I said it heats. It heat hot.
Really?
Listen, I never drank chicken before. It's burning.
Alright.
This is my brother.
So it's for the YouTube?
Yes, it's my vlog. Daddy said I was burning chicken.
Hey, can I even come there?
I came right here and I see the heat. I didn't know it was burning, Daddy.
How you take this thing?
That don't make no sense. That's crazy. Sitting here the whole time trying to figure this thing out. I press the button, you know. I swear I pressed that button. Alright, music time. Let's look at a ton. We don't have a ton sunscreen. Oh, look at that. Come back again. Hey. I know my clothes first. Gotta get early in the morning.
That's I am uniform to work.
I gotta get up early tomorrow.
Like me back in the days.
Good back in the days.
I remember back in the days, I am uniform.
A scrub is a guy that thinks he's flying this, also known as a buster. Always talking about what he wants and just sits on his broken soul. No, I don't want your number, no. I don't wanna give you mine, and no, I don't wanna meet you nowhere, no. Don't want none of your time, and no, I don't want no scrub. A scrub is a guy that can't get no love from me. Hanging out the passenger side of his best friend's ride, trying to holler at me.
You keep coming up to the phone like you're about to bite me. I don't like that. I don't like that, you know. There you go. Good doggy. Usually my brothers be right here in the street doing it too, but one of them at work and the other one is out. So. Ooh, that was a nice one. Yes, yes. You got a nice one. Every time I hear that song. Why you say that?
She have a fit.
Eat them?
She would have a fit.
Me small big nice one to come right to so soon as I look off your phone, something come right over my head.
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, it came in the street. Oh. Yeah, I tell you what I get this. Should I definitely get this? Oh my God, you know, hear that? It came all the way over here. Need to work.
Next stop, Merck Avenue and 208 Street. This stop is Merck Avenue and 208 Street.
My nose is stuffy, man.
Next stop, Merck Avenue and Francis Lewis Boulevard.
Wow.
Wow, you would end up in a depot.
I'm like, hold on, you're driving too long. Let me get up. Let me see what's.
Yo, you would have been like over in Queens Village somewhere.
Right where I was coming from?
Yeah, well, actually,
Close
yeah,
by?
kind of close by, yeah.
Oh wow, that's crazy. The only person on the bus.
Look, this is the tree right here.
Oh, okay. Yeah. F train.
That's right there, yeah.
All right, thank you. Have a good day.
What's your name, Ellie?
Anakin. Yeah, thank you. Same. The man said he would have brought me back to his depot because I didn't know that was the last stop because I don't live in Queens. So he's like, the limited bus, the last stop is at Jamaica and 153rd. So I didn't know. So I'm sitting on the train, but I'm behind him. He didn't even know that I was. So I got up. I'm like, hold on, he's driving too long. Let me get up. And he's like, oh, you scared the shit out of me. And he's like, that was the last stop. I'm like, where? He's like, where he left everybody else. I didn't know that everybody came with the bus because I'm sitting right behind him. So I see a lot of people came up, but I didn't know it was everybody. So, and he's like, that's everybody. That's where I left. That was the last stop. He was like, that was the last stop where I left everybody at. I'm like, I didn't know that. Wait a minute now. Hold on. I don't know where I'm going. I'm going to go to the city. Hold on, y'all. This is going to Manhattan. About to wait for the train. Oh yeah, he was like, it was hot down here. It was cold on the bus, so that's why I had this. I'll tell y'all later when I come on this train. Just came off the train. I'm at Bryan Park. So I was saying, like, was on the train. I mean, on the bus, and he had let the driver. I see a lot of people coming. I see a lot of people coming off the bus. I didn't know that was the last stop because I don't usually take the bus from Queens to go to work, so I didn't know that. And so I'm like, hold on, he driving to, because when I looked at the thing, it says the stops is like, I think I had like 3 more stops to get off. And I'm like, hold on, he driving too long now. So I got up, and I noticed there's nobody else on the train, on the bus. And he's like, oh, he said, you still on the bus? He said, that was the last stop. I'm like, what stop? He's like, we all left everybody off. I said, first of all, like I said, I was sitting behind him, so I didn't know everybody came off the bus. I see a good amount of people come off the bus, but a lot of people come off the bus at certain stops, so that didn't, like, you know, tell me that was the last stop. And he says, he's like, yeah, that was the last stop. Well, he started laughing. He said, you scared the shit out of me. I'm like, oh my god, like what? That's the last. I said, so I'm like, so how do I get to the F train? Because so I took the wrong bus. The bus I took was the limited, and the other bus I was supposed to be on is the regular bus. That's supposed to take me to 153rd Hillside Avenue. That's where I was supposed to get the F train at. But I got on the limited. Listen, whenever anyone that 83 bus come, I just go on it. I didn't even think about it like that. And I did see a guy, like a younger guy, asking him something about a train, but I really wasn't paying attention, to be honest, like, you know. But like I said, I'm behind the driver. The guy was right there talking to him, so I did not know. He's like, oh my god. He said, I gotta tell my coworkers about this. And he's like, we usually share funny stories or whatever. And I'm like, wow. He's like, yeah, this is hilarious. He's like, this is funny, man. He's like, you scared the shit out of me. And then he's like, oh, this is my fault though, because I should have checked. He's like, I should have checked because, you know, he usually checked the bus when everybody get off. Well, he was like, he said you was about to go in a deep hole, like because he was about to take me back to his spot wherever they parked the bus at. I was like, the only thing I got up, he's like, yeah, because you would have been far. I was like, oh my god, I would have been late for work. Because I'm like, hold on, he's driving too long now. Like, and the thing is, when I was on the bus, I like how you call that person that talk with the stop, whoever that is, like the bus thing was talking to stop. So I should have noticed, like, why didn't you not saying it no more? Because come to think about it, that was the last way he let everybody off at. That was the last time I heard the monitor say something about, you know, the stops. So I should have. Oh, somebody smoking a cigarette. Oh, hate that, man. Yeah, so I should have noticed, but I'm like, how is the F train? He's like, oh, you trying to go to the F train? I'm like, yeah. And he's like, okay, I'll take it to the F train. I'm like, thank you, because I'm looking at, I was at 175th and Hillside Avenue. I'm like, what? Okay. So he took me to the F train, and I got on the F train. That's for the last time y'all see me go down the stairs. Cause I'm like, yo, what is going on? No stop. I'm gonna be late for work. I'm very, very late. The minute I get up, I'm just check. I was literally the only person on the bus. That's crazy. And he just kept laughing. Cause when he's like, he was supposed to check the train, check the bus. Well, he didn't. Cause then he's like, I'm hearing stuff, and I'm like, what is that? He said he was hearing stuff, but he didn't, you know, I guess bother to stop and check. I'm like, ooh, well, you should have. But yeah, that was funny though. He said, you scared the shit out of me. I'm tired. Yo, seriously? I was still hearing firecrackers last night. I'm like, listen, I need to go to bed. Anyways, I'm like 30 minutes early for. Ooh. The hell was that? I'm like 30 minutes early for work. So, you see that thing right here? Look, the bees. The bees. It's telling honeybees are collecting pollen and nectar from the park flowers. These stay out the garden. So I see the bees back there. I don't know if y'all can see it, but I see them. Bryant Park is a vibe. Like, this is like a vibe for date nights or just regular hanging out. Like, it's a vibe. They are working. I got 15 minutes. Should I go to McDonald's and get an iced coffee? I'm thinking if I should go get it. It could really help to be a little bit. I'm not that tired, but can I hold out till lunchtime? I woke up a little bit coarse this morning. When I go home, I'm gonna drink some ginger tea because it's weird that I really don't like coffee. Coffee, like, I can't drink coffee. I don't like hot coffee. But I like iced coffee. And hazelnut is the best. I don't want to hear nothing else. I don't know if you can see me, but today is Saturday. Sending off something. Fit in here. Listen. I need the bag. Maybe I have to take the bag out. Take the bag out. I was gonna. Cute. Take the bag, but I don't want to see that. It was like 2%. What do I know?
What's that?
I'm in the laundromats. Like the post office is right next to the laundromat. You can watch my other vlog and you see how close it is. But anyway, I'm gonna do laundry. Then I'm gonna market, go get some fruits. Cause I'm back on my summer stuff. This morning I have blueberry with banana and celery. And last time I have green smoothie last night. So yeah. I'm try to get rid of this fupa. Yes, I like it, I don't like it. So, and the this one, the yellow one is the best one, but I didn't see it, so I'll pick up that one. Then the car service. I never done before. I was washing my clothes by myself. I thought people wash my clothes. I can never do drop-off service. I don't know how people do it, but me we notice when someone missing here. There's someone me know so me have like no, me can't have somebody wash my clothes. But to each his own. Everybody different.
Shawty make that ass clap, she don't need no flow. High fashion, like Goya, D-Wagon, or the Rover. I put some ice on you cause you gotta go. I know I gotta keep my shawty on go-go. Drop that ass to the floor. Whoa. You ain't gotta deal with none of these niggas no more. If we hop in the beans, is that okay?
See, I'm showing you my outfit. The outfit. This is today's outfit. Over this one time when I was in Jamaica, I didn't wear it since that was last year. Yeah, it was last year. Been 6 minutes left. So it's still on pre-wash. It's supposed to go on wash soon. And I put it on hot because I don't want to wash it to dirt.
Let's stop holding back on this and let's get cash.
Got 22 minutes for the wash to finish, so Dollar Tree is like right up the block. So might as well just go there and kill some time instead of sitting on the laundromat. Oh yeah, got a Jamaican restaurant right here. If I see the flag, but it's new. I didn't try the restaurant yet. Why they back up here? What happened? Oh, they're about to have a party, a block party. They got a chair right here, look. They're about to have a block party. See pools? The water? Down there, sir? Thank you, body wash. I don't use body wash, but it does smell good. The vitamin E. Oh, they have the ladies speak stick one too. Oh, you know what I need? I need the something that's probably with Irish Spring. Summertime Irish Spring you need. So alright. I don't even find the thing. I usually put my timer on. Got the cops right here. The post office. The laundromat. So I just put the goes to dry. One thing I didn't put to dry is my uniform. My work uniform because I don't want it to shrink. I have an hour. Put the clothes to dry for an hour, so.
You okay?
I'm good, thank you.
Have a good day.
You too, thank you. Whew. The potential sugar daddy. I'm sorry. No, man, old as hell. All up on my face. No, when you're talking, you look up and see somebody staring at you. Yeah. You see him walk too, with his stylish walk. Like you want to look me. But that's probably a married man. No, thank you. Everything is so convenient for me over here. It's just, I love it. Me, love that for myself. Can't ask for much. Laundromat, post office, Chinese store. I don't eat Chinese food like that. Like, don't remember the last time I ate Chinese food. I think was it last summer? Oh yeah, before. Sir, I want to help you here. Like me, one new tomato say me like old people, like old man. So, like people. Anyways, what am I say? Yeah, I'm saying everything is convenient. I like a bunch of liquor store, corner store, bus stop brother, so we can take. Yo, I'm gonna do last week for the first time ever. For the first time ever, I may ever do this. I should have been to do that. Let's move over here. But I usually take the bus stop right here, the 13 to the J train, or I just go on the A train right there. Where I usually go to do every morning. Last week when I got Queens, they have the Q8 right by the Q8 bus. We go straight to Jamaica Avenue, like literally left me off on Jamaica Avenue, like on right there. I'm gonna come out for me, maybe by party. Let me off right there, so. And I'm gonna just walk down and just take a bus and reach where I go. But I never done it before. I don't know why. Well, best believe I'm gonna start doing that because it was only an hour on the bus, if that. And usually I take a train, and the train I was like problems. It's like you get a train to the shuttle bus, then back on the train again. That's not too much. So you know what? From now on, I'm gonna take the Q8 bus right to Jamaica Avenue. Right to Jamaica Avenue, because that's the easiest thing to do. I don't know why I never do that. From how long? Yeah, back anyways, but better to find out, better late than never, right? I'm gonna tell you, the bus ride seems so quick, like it was so quick. Like, yeah, man, that's all I got. So I got what I needed from Dollar Tree. And, ooh, got a nice blue car. So I'm almost finished with my errands for the day. This car coming fast. I'm almost finished with my errands for the day. Laundry, liquor shopping, going back inside, shower. It is my day off. I need to relax. I wanted to go somewhere today, but I think I'll go tomorrow. I think I'm gonna just relax today. Like, I don't need to go out every weekend. I need to stay me out. At least not Saturday and Sunday. You know what I'm saying? Like, one of those days I need a break from. I need a break. Can't do both days, man. I'm getting old. Can't do both days, man. I get old, man. So I need my rest. So I should be, tomorrow is the 10th. I should go out tomorrow. And then back to work Monday. See, a weekend always so quick. Very, very quick. It's like, didn't even happen. But anyways.
You a bad girl and your friends bad too. Oh, you got the swag, saucy drippin' swag do. You a bad girl and your friends bad too. Oh, you got the swag, saucy drippin' swag do. Oh, you a bad girl and your friends bad too. Oh, you got the swag, saucy drippin' swag do. You a bad girl and your friends bad too. Oh, you got the swag, saucy drippin' swag do. Oh.
I may be young, but I'm ready to give you all my love.
I'm about to eat a salmon burger with some lettuce and wheat bread. Oh yeah.
Hey. Oh Lord, here we go again. I'm good, how are you? Alright. I'm not Hollywood.
What's going on with you though?
Nothing, just finished laundry, about to go home and relax. I think you're blocking the way.
They got me up. It's good though. My name is Cordell.
What's your name?
Huh?
What's your name?
Cordell.
Oh, hi.
What's your name?
Kay.
Kay?
Yeah.
That's not what it says on your ID. What is your real name? Don't give me no alter ego or what's that?
It's not an alter ego. My name is Anna Kay.
See, that's what I like. I'm with the government, not the alien. How old are you?
How old I look?
I can't tell. You got shades on.
I'm 35.
Okay. So you're an old head.
No, I'm not. How old are you?
I'm 33. I'm going to 34 next week. July 21st, so I say 2 more weeks. Yeah.
You smell good.
I smell good.
Huh?
You got a number I can reach you at?
Yeah. 646. You got kids?
Nope. You?
You don't got no kids?
Nope, I'm not a breeder yet.
I don't believe that. For some reason, I don't believe that.
Why you don't believe that?
Cause.
What? What? I don't got kids.
Okay. I have one.
If I find the right person, I have a kid.
Okay.
It's hard to find that. You want to be that right person?
We'll see.
We'll see.
It depends on you.
Depends on me.
Yeah.
What you mean it depends on me?
Cause I don't have a problem being consistent. Men have a problem being consistent.
Well, it depends. When you get to know a person,
Right.
what y'all into, what you like, you know. Are you like straight, pansexual, bisexual?
I'm straight.
See?
What are you?
You said, what am I? I'm straight.
No, you asking me, so I'm asking you.
Yeah, I'm straight.
Okay.
But do you believe in polygamy?
No.
Why not?
No.
Why not?
I feel because I don't like sharing.
Yeah, but guys are sharing it anyway.
I don't.
You don't know that. You don't know that.
Once I find out, once I find out I'm sharing you, I'm done.
Yeah, but see, that's you.
That's why I'm single.
Yeah, but see, that's why, regardless, they're gonna do what they want to do. So you could tell them, you could be like, oh yeah, da, but then they could be running around at work, whatever, doing what they want to do. So
You're right. That's what I'm saying. I could tell Once you start being consistent and then you stop, I could tell. It's, you know, I could tell. Somebody else.
That's not somebody else.
Yeah.
Maybe the guy would like to have 2 females.
Oh, that's you.
Yeah, that's me.
Oh my God. No. I always.
It works out, trust me.
No, it does not.
Yes, it is. How do you know if you never tried it?
Because I don't want to try it.
See? But you don't know if it worked.
That's because that's not my thing.
You never know until you try it. Alright?
No.
Yeah. Try it out. Anna K.
I cannot see myself in a relationship with a man and a woman. That's not me.
It has to be a relationship. Y'all can be like a, what you call that? Not even.
You know what? A what? A two? I'm not playing with you. I never heard that word.
Yeah, that's what it is. That's what people get confused with polygamy.
What's the difference?
Polygamy is when you're dealing with a person who's actually married. They marry more than one person.
You gotta go.
They marry more than one person. As for it's just everybody engaged with each other. They don't even have to be married and none of that stuff.
Oh, you see? Oh, you just told me something. I didn't know that. I thought it was the same thing. Oh, bet you do. You're trouble. You is trouble. I'll stay away from you. You are. You said what? Oh, he said you would love it. All right. Nice car. It's my favorite color too.
I gotta get it clear. Have fun, go out, all that good shit, you know.
Good. Enjoy your life. Yeah. Funny. Later on tonight and do what? How about you take me out?
How about you take me out? Girl, don't do that.
Oh.
How about that?
No, I actually do that, but
no,
the guy, no.
Females don't know how to switch up.
I do that, but the guy gotta take me out first. I did that before. I did that before.
That a guy got to take you out first. See, y'all girls try to make up your own damn.
No, but I did that before though, for real. I took a guy out before.
Okay.
I did.
You didn't take me out, so that rule don't apply to me.
Go somewhere fun. You seem like you know places. Oh, I don't party. I don't like partying. I tried it already. I don't like to be around. Oh my. Bye. Yo. What? Bye, Cordell.
Bye, Anakin.
Bro, this man is crazy. I'm uploading this shit. I don't even care. This man is talking shit. Talking about you want a poly, you want a quadruple relationship. Listen, I'm not the one. I don't party. I'm sitting in my bed. I'm not going away with him. I'm not going to a party talking about I'll take you out. Nigga, that's a red flag. See? That nigga is crazy. That was funny. He was like, you on the phone? I had to act like I was on FaceTime. I'm like, hold on. But I was still recording. He's cute though. He's the men that will get you in trouble. That will break your fucking heart. I don't got time for that shit. Like I said, he's trouble. He crazy. This man, yo, I don't even know how long he was talking for. Probably 10 minutes or less. I don't know. I don't remember how much he was recording before I started talking to him. See, you know my young got no kids. You want a poly relationship? No, bro. No, not with me. I need my own. I need a man for myself. If that was the case, I would have been single. Okay, I would have been still be dumb and stupid dealing with niggas that have bitches, other bitches. No. Like I said, I don't know what a man talking to somebody else. I feel that shit. Feel it. God be giving me the sign and I follow it. Don't ignore shit. You talking about partying? I don't want to be around people. so long partying. I don't want to do that. So, you see how he got defensive, like kind of defensive when I asked him if he's what is he too? Because you gonna ask me if I'm bi, sure. So I'm gonna ask you the same thing too. Why are you surprised that I asked you the same question? Yeah. Anyways, eat some guacamole for the spread. I'm gonna put some ketchup. I'll show you before I will before.